So I know what you're thinking. How have I sunk so low that I'm doing a reaction video? Well, that's a really good question. This isn't a normal reaction video. I have seen this video before, a while ago, but I wanted to share it with you guys and unleash it upon the world. This is a goldmine. There's a lot of good stuff in here. This video redefines the term awkward, I think. And I also wanted to use this as kind of an example and as an opportunity to talk a little bit about the issue of vandalism and tomb robbery here in New Orleans, which has become a big problem in recent years. So a little bit of background. This is a video showing the unveiling of the restored Marie Laveau tomb in 2014. Because, as I mentioned in my last Marie Laveau video, that people would not stop marking X's on the tomb as part of this mistaken belief that it is a voodoo practice that will grant wishes. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the cringe fest here. This is the Marie Laveau unveiling of the restored tomb. All right, let's go. Fancy graphics here. Yeah, there it is. Marie Laveau's restored tomb.
Flag preservation, Save Our Cemeteries, and the Archdiocese of New Orleans all put their resources together to restore the Voodoo Queen Marie Laveau's tomb, and it has been closed off to the public for about 3.5 months. And I've got to cut this down. Yay! Thank you for great work. Very special day. It happened. This might take a few minutes.
This might take a few minutes. This is my favorite part. So, what? Trying to do a ribbon cutting ceremony, but all they have is this orange mesh construction fencing. And she's about to cut all the way through it. I mean, I don't want to get on, these people's cases too much because, I mean, clearly they care about New Orleans history. And they're sincere and genuine, but how hard is it to go to Michael's and just, get a ribbon? They're like $3, man. I kind of like to think that somebody was like, I thought you brought the ribbon. I thought you were going to bring it. Oh, no!
Yeah, they couldn't give you a ribbon, huh?
Oh, they couldn't give you a ribbon, huh? No, I guess they couldn't be bothered. Oh, God. Oh, did you see that lady? Did you see that lady? She just came up. Can I have... okay, you got it. You got it.
Hey, Vicky, you hold that side, it'll help her out.
There's 2 layers.
If you pull that side, it'll help you out.
The more taunt you hold it.
Oh, here comes somebody else. Oh, my God.
I've done that before.
Oh, yay. She finished it. Oh, no, don't make her do again. Don't make her do more.
Yep, just hold it tight. There
Don't make her do it again. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, this is...
All right. All right.
Good enough. It's good enough. Yay. Yay. Oh my God. This is so embarrassing. Is this what it feels like to be British? Do British people just feel this all the time?
Is that what they're saying?
Yeah.
Please, please, please spread the word, not to mark on the tomb, everybody. Not voodoo. Not voodoo, not Catholic. Just vandalism.
Yeah, just vandalism, not voodoo, not Catholic. She's absolutely right about that. And yet, I've been in there fairly recently, and I've seen, still people marking it up, man. They'll take their keys, and they'll just mark it right into the plaster. But yeah, no, it is not voodoo. It is not Catholic. It is nothing. It was, as I said in my last Marie Laveau video, it is just something that a tour guide made up.
I hope people don't put X's on there.
They will. They will. Every time they repeat it, every time they
They won't do it right now because there's too many people out here watching.
Right.
Oh my God.
Although I'm a little shocked, I kept expecting somebody drunk person to just walk up. But if anyone would do it right now, we would all like jump. But you know, eventually there's gonna be, you know, someone will come in here when there's nobody really watching, and once the first person does it,
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that guy is right on the money. That guy is absolutely correct. Because yeah, that is what people used to do, and sometimes they still do. I mean, the cemeteries, St. Louis #1 here has been closed off to the public for like 4 years, and yet still, you know, people, you know, on tours, you know, their tour guides should like know better. They should be aware of this. They should keep, you know, eagle eyes out, making sure that people don't mark on the tombs, and yet they still do.
this often gets played several times a year.
You know, in my opinion, you would think that somebody would get the opposite, get bad luck.
Well, I really wish they would just put something over the marble plate.
Right, something like the
Like a sheet of plexiglass or something.
or even like if they had like a fence around it that was kind of tall that you can't really climb
Plexiglass is
into.
not a bad idea, honestly. That would kind of suck, but like,
I just wanted to offer. You want it? Well, but
oh, it's over. It just ended. But yeah, I just, you know, I'll end by saying that, you know, if you're watching this and you maybe want to visit Marie Laveau's tomb or whatever, it's just, you know, don't mark on the tomb. Don't draw on the tomb. Don't leave anything on the tomb other than flowers. It's not funny. It's not cute. You're not being a rebel. There isn't some big conspiracy with, you know, oh, the Archdiocese is in on it, the tour guides are in on it, you know, oh, they are, you know, the only true way to communicate with Marie Laveau is to mark on the tomb. That's the only true way. It's like, no, it's, you know, the lizard people are not behind it. It's not a big conspiracy. We're just trying to preserve the history, man. Hey, Sal, what did you think? What did you think of the restoration of Marie Laveau's tomb? What did you think? Huh? He thinks I should put him down and let him nap. That's what he thinks. Oh, 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 oh.